With the release of ArcBlock's ABT Node 1.0, it's never been easier to deploy ArcBlock's platform into your environment, into the cloud, or into your infrastructure. For this walkthrough, what we're actually going to do is just do a quick deployment via the terminal. And in this case, I'm actually using Microsoft Windows WSL with Linux terminal. But of course, you can use Mac or whatever terminal is of your choice. So let's go ahead and actually get started. Just a few basic commands that we'll need to do. And of course, this assumes that you've got Node.js actually running on your local machine. If you haven't, I'll provide a link here at the end of the video to show you where you can actually go and install it and help you get it up and running. All right, so my first command, let's get this going. Okay, right now we're going through the process of actually installing ABT Node locally in our environment. So as we get near the end of this installation, there's just two more commands that we're actually going to need to enter in to get ABT Node up and running on our laptop. So we're going to go ahead and enter in ABT Node init, ABT Node init, hit enter. And in this case, it's using a standard configuration with built-in networking components and things that you need to get ABT Node up and running. Of course, you do have the opportunity to customize it later on if you want to add some additional features like Nginx or something else for your networking. As you can see here, we're done. So let's go ahead and type in ABT Node start. And once we complete this process, it's going to give us the IP address to go ahead and put into our browser to go ahead and start interacting with ABT Node. So as you can see, in less than 30 seconds, we've already got this platform up and running in our local environment. And of course, now you have a ready-made platform that's really built for the ground up to build your DApps, DeFi projects, blockchains, and anything else you need to support your project for the decentralized web. So we can't wait to see what you build, and thanks so much.